Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let's do a real quick ferro rod ignition of leaves straight off the ground. I think that I have enough kudzu leaves mixed in with those red oak leaves to make a very easy ignition. We got rain 2 days ago, so these are not the driest of leaves. There's a kudzu leaf. And whoa. Another one. Another one. These kudzu leaves are more broken down than they were the last time I showed you this. Let's go for it. Here's another one. See if we can get it ignited before the wind kicks up again. Keychain ferro rod, 3 1/8 inches long by 5/16. More companion stainless steel. Pretty easy when you have the right tinder. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.